class 2B. Here I will explain the material on understanding perception and individual decision making with compare the definition of perception, factor influencing perception, attribution theory, errors and biases in perception, the relationship between perception and decision making, as well as various models and biases that occur in the decision making process with here on organizational environment. Understanding perception and individual decision making. Definition of perception. Perception is the process by which individuals organize, interpret, and understand sensory information from their environment. Perception is subjective and influenced by experiences, attitude, and emotion, shaping how individuals view reality. In organizations, perception play a crucial role in assessing colleagues' performance and work situation. Next, factor influencing perception. There are three main factors that influence perception. The very first factor, attitude, motivation, and experience. Target factor, afferency, source, and movement. And situation factor, time, social environment, and work atmosphere. The interaction between these factors says how individuals perceive their surroundings. Next, factor influencing perception. There are main factors that influence perception. First factors such as attitude, motivation, experiences, and personal value will shape how individuals interpret situation. Target factor including physical appearance, gesture, sound, and movements that can capture attention and influence judgment. Situational factors such as time, social environment, and work atmosphere, which can affect how individuals perceive a particular event or person. Attribution theory. Attribution theory explains how individuals determine the causes or other behavior with here personal factor or external environmental factor. This theory emphasizes the key factor. This then defines with here the behavior varies across different situations. Consensus with here other behave similarly in the same situation, and consistency with here the behavior is reflected over time. By understanding this factor, individuals can make more accurate judgments about the relation with other attention. Furthermore, attribution theory is crucial in social and organizational contexts. For example, managers often ask attributes to assess employees' performance, distinguishing between internal effort and external circumstances. Misattributing causes can lead to unfair judgments and affect decision-making processes, impacting team dynamic and overall productivity. Next, errors and biases in perception. When assessing other individuals often fall prey to attribute error in biases. The self-serving bias leads people to attribute successes to internal factors such as effort or skill, while blaming failures on external circumstances. The fundamental attribute error, on the other hand, involves underestimating external influences and overfacing internal threats when evaluating other behavior. Next, the relationship between perception and decision making. Perception plays a critical role in decision making as it influences how individuals identify problems, evaluate alternatives, and set solutions. A decision maker perception of a situation can be shaped by personal experiences, culture, background, and cognitive biases, which can Reflection can lead to poor decisions, such as misjudging employee capabilities or misinterpreting market conditions. For instance, a manager who perceives a team member as unmotivated due to a single incident might overlook the employee's overall contribution, leading to unfair evaluation and missed opportunities for growth. Next, rational decision-making model. The rational decision-making model is a structured process that involves identifying a problem, setting decision criteria, generating alternatives, evaluating options, selecting the best solution, implementing the decision, and assessing the result. This systematic approach aims to maximize outcomes through logical analysis and objective evaluation. Next, intuitive decision making. Intuitive decision making relies on experiences, instinct, and gut feelings rather than formal analysis. The approach is often used in situations where information is limited, time is urgent, or the information is complex. Intuition allows decision makers to quickly assess situation and make judgments based on patterns and past experiences. Despite its advantage, intuitive decision making is prone to cognitive biases such as overconfidence or confirmation bias. Therefore, combining intuition with analysis thinking can enhance decision quality and mitigate the risks associated with interpreting socially and instincts. Yes, biases in decision making. Decision making is often influenced by cognitive biases that distort judgments and lead to suboptimal outcomes. Overconfidence bias involves overestimating one's abilities or knowledge, leading to risky decisions. Unscoring bias occurs when individuals rely too heavily on the first piece of information they encounter, affecting subsequent judgment. Other common biases including confirmation bias, where individuals seek information that support their existing beliefs while ignoring contradictory evidence, and affability bias, where decisions are based on actually resulted information rather than objective data. Recognizing and mitigating these biases is crucial for improving decision quality. Next, escalation of commitment in decision making. Escalation of commitment refers to the tendency to continue investing in a varying courses of action despite negative feedback. This behavior often stems from a desire to avoid automatic failure, social pressure, or the hope that conditions will improve. For example, a manager who has useful project may continue to allocate resources to avoid losing face. Next, application in organizational setting. Perception and decision making are vital in organizational context, influencing processes such as recruitment, performance evaluation, and strategy planning. Managers who understand cognitive biases can make more accurate assessment of employees' performance, leading to further evaluation and better talent management.